Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from Kucoin to your crypto.com. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Kucoin app and then click on this assets option from the bottom of your screen. And from this screen, you have to switch to the account where you currently have the XRP. So I currently have XRP in my funding account. So I will just click on this funding option, or you can also click on this funding from my account section. So you need to switch to the account where you have XRP. Now on this screen, you just have to click on withdrawal, and from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the XRP. If you don't find XRP here, you can click on this search bar and type XRP in search bar, and then simply tap on XRP from search results. Then on the screen, you have to paste the wallet address in this area. So open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to click on crypto wallet, and from this list of cryptocurrencies, select Ripple. After that, you just have to click on transfer, and from this pop-up window, click on deposit. And then you will be able to get your wallet address for your XRP. Now click on this copy button right next to your wallet address. Then go back to the Kucoin app and paste the wallet address in this area. And once you paste the wallet address, it will automatically select the network based on your wallet address. If it doesn't select, you can also click on this network tab and select the same network that you have selected in your crypto.com. And once you do that, you also have to paste the tag if they have provided XRP destination tag. So click on this copy button right next to your XRP destination tag, and then go back to your Kucoin app and paste your tag in this box. And then you just have to enter the withdrawal amount that you want to transfer. Minimum you at least have to enter 30 XRP. And once you enter it, you need to click on withdraw, and that's it. Your XRP will be transferred from Kucoin to your crypto.com. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.